In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money online using PayPal. There's going to be zero selling. And not only that, if you have no funds, no worries, because you're not going to need a dime to use this method, okay? You're going to want to stay to the end so that you can get all of the information that you need and that you know exactly what to do to start earning. This was actually one of the first types of ways that I actually started earning online. And I was happy because it was easy to do. But not only that, it was extremely lucrative. And since there's a lot of people that don't like selling things, they don't like to have to worry about somebody actually buying in order for them to make a commission. You don't have to worry about that with this opportunity. So let's get right into this video. Today, what we're going to discuss is a skill that you can actually use with an actual company that's going to let you start earning quickly. And it's going to take less than 5 minutes to set up your account. Not only that, they're going to tell you what you need in order to set up your account successfully. And then you're going to just need a little bit of time. This is a global opportunity. So whether you're in the United States or not, you can at least accomplish this from anywhere in the world. It's a free method, so you don't have to pull out a credit card to get started. No funds needed. And you can earn anywhere from 50 cents all the way up to $4 per action using this method. Not only that, you can actually do this over and over again, and this can become a consistent income for you. So what we're talking about is CPA Lead, and I'm going to tell you all about this and how you can get started. And this is just called CPA, cost per acquisition, which is a marketing metric that measures the aggregate costs to acquire one paying customer on a campaign or channel level. And this, it says it's brand new, but it's kind of been around for a while, but people are getting more hooked onto what to do because, again, you can have somebody sign up and just put in an email address for something or give their information for something, and you get paid every time that happens. Now, if you had 100 people put in an email and you were getting paid 50 cents to $1 for each email, that can actually earn you a full-time income. It's extremely beginner friendly. There's no prior skills and experience required. It lets you start earning money on a daily basis, and you're going to get paid from the company directly into your bank account. There's no selling involved. And what we're going to do is talk about a company that's been around for a while that you don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and they no longer exist. So what we're talking about today is called Maxbounty. And this is just one of the different places that you can come to become an affiliate, to be able to collect emails or collect people's information and make money from it. If you haven't heard of Maxbounty before, we're going to talk about what it's all about and how you can actually start benefiting from this company. The first thing you're going to need to do is become an affiliate. And the reason why is because if you want to get paid per email you collect, you're going to need to become an affiliate in order to do so. You're going to be promoting high converting cost per action campaigns from hundreds of advertisers, seeking your blogging, media buying, social media, and email marketing expertise. And what you're going to do is sign up to be an affiliate. You can click here to register now. And if you want to know how to get approved and actually complete an application step by step, they also have the guide here that's going to help you to get started so that you're going to be successful at being a part of the community. Okay. They also here have the 6 tips for choosing affiliate marketing campaigns as a beginner. They're going to tell you which ones you should go for and exactly what to do to start earning per CPA. Not only that, they have here affiliate marketing traffic sources that will help you to start collecting these emails or the name and addresses of people, depending on what it is that you're collecting for. Okay, so what I want to do is go right into the about. Again, I remember Maxbounty being around 5-6 years ago. And I was actually using this consistently. It may take a little bit of time to get approved from the time you send in your application. You're probably looking at 2 days, and it could probably go all the way up to 5 days. but it's worth the wait, because once you're approved, you can actually go in and start picking different, you could start working with different companies to start collecting these emails. So what we are, this is a world leading performance-based cost per action network that specializes in maximizing the return on investment of both advertisers and affiliates. They believe in providing you the best service possible by creating a seamless global online marketing experience. Okay, so when you sign up, you're going to get your login information through email, and then all you're going to do is put your information in here so that you can gain access to the portal. Okay, so now let's go back to the presentation. Now, when you sign up to work with the company and you are doing the CPA, you're going to have, most of them, you're going to start at $1 per email or per cost per acquisition. And you're going to also have daily or weekly payment options. And again, that's depending on who you go with. Like I said, there's other companies other than Maxbounty. You can actually type it into Google and there will be tons of companies that you can work with that will allow you to become a part of their platform and actually start collecting per lead they receive. And again, with these leads, whether or not you make a sale, it doesn't matter. They're just paying you for the lead. It offers a free membership to start earning, so you don't have to pay anything out of pocket. And you can get your payments through PayPal, Payoneer, and some of the other companies also have other payment methods that can help people who are not currently a part of the United States. So if you are international, you can actually sign up with this one of these companies and actually start getting paid. And again, I highly recommend starting off with Maxbounty. So we're going to talk about how to start earning. You first need to sign up and create an account. Sometimes they're going to ask for your information, depending on if you have social media accounts. They want to just make sure you're a real person, but not only that, you have a traffic source that you're using. I highly recommend using Facebook or YouTube, or if you want, you can also use Instagram or TikTok. So you're going to need to have a social media account. And you should probably also make sure you have a Google account if you don't already have one. You can select any offer that people have by just clicking and selecting that offer. They're going to give you a link so that you can start promoting that link to start gathering these emails. They're going to be able to show you each product's payout and the actions needed in order for that to happen. So sometimes it may be an email address. Sometimes it may be a person's first and last name and their address. Sometimes it may be more information than that. They may want to collect a person's marital status, also their age, whether their nationality, and then there also may be some other things. Depending on how much you're making, it may be more information that's required on the form that you receive for each product. So for the cheaper products, they more than likely only need an email. For ones that start running between $3 to $5 per acquisition, you're probably going to need more of the first and last name, address, and some other personal information to be submitted. You're going to copy the affiliate link to start earning. And then again, whenever someone clicks on the link and fill out the information, you are going to get paid. So with the traffic, you're going to post your affiliate link to your social media accounts and encourage others to view the link. There's so many different platforms you can use, like Craigslist. Again, we can also have it on Facebook, going into groups or your personal page. You can also use YouTube or Instagram. So whatever social media platform you would like to use, you can do so, because all you're looking for is people to want to fill out the information to get more information about the current product that they may be interested in. You can post again on Facebook groups, which would be the easiest way to go. A little bit more time consuming, but it will actually pay off because you can get into a ton of groups and actually just putting your information for people to grab your link and put in their email. So post to any Facebook group that are related to the affiliate links and giveaways. And again, guys, there's thousands of Facebook groups out there. All you have to do is search for the one that is affiliated to whatever it is that you're offering. And then you want to join that group and make sure to put your link into the post so that people can actually come in and, view the information that you have available. So this is it basically for how to actually start earning, whether or not you have funds and whether or not you have selling experience, because you're not selling anything, okay? And I know here it says making money on PayPal, but you can actually use Payoneer, or you can use other different payment processing methods, depending on what company you decide to go with. Maxbounty is the one that I know of, but again, there's tons and tons of other programs and websites that offer people CPA lead acquisitions to make money. And if you want to see what's out there, all you have to do is Google it. So I'm going to just go in and show you basically what you can do to find out what's out there. Okay. So I'm going to stop the screen here. And if we go into here, all you have to do is type into Google. And then I like to do companies like other companies like Maxbounty. And then what you can do is you can look and see what's out there. So they have Ad Supply, AdMixer.network, Pop Ads, Ad Pushup, Viral Gains, Perform, Connect Plus, Intent Media. And right here goes Maxbounty alternatives and competitors. And this will also give you information about other companies that's out there. And then it has some reviews about each company and also the stars. So Ad Supply has 4 stars, but people are saying that they're more expensive. You have Ad Mixer, which has 5 stars, has better support, better at meeting requirements. So you may be interested in using this one instead. They have G2 Deals. It doesn't have any stars, so we're going to skip that one. You have, this is the software, so we don't need that. Here we have Pop Ads, which has a 4 out of 5, and there's no reviews here. Ad Pushup, Viral Gains, and again, you can just go through these to see which one you may want to work with. And again, these are very familiar to Maxbounty, where you're not selling anything, but you're just collecting information from an individual that they need in order to promote their product, okay? And that's what you basically do. And you can do this to make money. If you have no money, you want a little side hustle, or you want to make an additional income from home, you can do this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I will be giving you information about different work from home online opportunities that can help you to start producing a full-time income from home. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.